Are you in search of a property management software that offers hands-on, in-person touch? Well, look no further with Hemlane. This software offers a balance of features as well as some unique ones that other tools don't typically provide. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at Hemlane's features, pricing, pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for you. Additionally, we'll explore some alternatives to provide you with a comparison and help you make an informed decision. Hemlane features. First, let's take a look at Hemlane's features. As mentioned above, they do have a solid set of features that includes a strong collection of accounting tools and some other primary features for landlords and property managers, such as online rent payments, listing management, tenant screening, background checks, payment reminders, repair tracking, and document storage. In addition to these features, Hemlane also offers some unique in-person features. Agent Match does what it sounds like. It matches you with a local real estate agent to help you do things like show your property. You can also get linked up with an agent to perform a rental price analysis, move in and out inspections, and more. Surprisingly, however, one of the features absent from that list is a native smartphone app for either iOS and Android. Hemlane pricing. Their basic plan starts at $30 per month, though it includes only your first unit. Every unit thereafter is a standard $2 per unit per month. Beyond this, their next level essential plan has the same $28 base, but jumps considerably up to $12 per unit per month, and a few features such as priority support and state-specific lease. In addition, Hemlane offers a 30-day free trial to try the software before investing. Hemlane property management software, pros and cons. So now let's pull back a bit and look at the pros and cons of using Hemlane property management software. Pro, good customer support. Many Hemlane users report that their customer support is one of their stronger options. Beyond just being responsive, they offer relatively inexpensive priority emergency support via their essential plan. Pro, unique local features. Another benefit, Hemlane offers unique local features that very few offer outside of enterprise tools. Taken together, they have the ability to potentially add another level of convenience when using the software. Con, no iOS or Android app. This is a big draw of property management software for many. Hemlane versus DoorLoop, a powerful Hemlane alternative. Now that we've taken a deep look at Hemlane's property management tool, let's look at an alternative. We'll be putting Hemlane against our very own DoorLoop to show why DoorLoop is the #1 Hemlane alternative. First, let's take a look at features. With DoorLoop, you get automated rent payments, maintenance management, full accounting suite with QuickBooks Online integration that can be set up in minutes, e-leasing and screening tools, tenant portal to streamline all OSD marketing tools such as automatic listings, and so much more. Not to mention a convenient mobile app you can access wherever you are. Pricing. Earlier, we talked about Hemlane's base pricing. However, if you remember, that only includes the first unit. So to do a property comparison, we've taken another screen cap of Hemlane's pricing, assuming the same 20 units. With DoorLoop's basic plan, you get your first 20 units covered, which comes out to just $49 per month. And that's our review of Hemlane property management software. If you're interested in checking out other alternatives to Hemlane, be sure to do your research and compare features. We highly recommend DoorLoop as a top alternative with powerful features that can save you time and money. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.